Alright, so Andrei Asimov just posted a dark mode list. It's a collection of all the apps that support dark mode. So it's like Friday evening and I'm super tired and I have a headache after a long day. But the funniest part is that I knew and I was helping him out with the site and with some CSS. But just right now, I thought that I should do like a dark mode for a CryptoJobsList, which is the project that I've been working on for a month or so, which is like a list of jobs in blockchain space, blockchain jobs and crypto jobs. So let me. I've never done this before. I've never done a video. What is it called? Video action or vlogging or whatever it's called. But let's see. Let's experiment. Wow. Let's do quick time. Record the whole screen. Fantastic. Okay, I hope it's recording. So yeah, that's the dark mode list that launched in Product Hunt. That's the list itself. All the fancy apps, you know, iOS dark mode, Firefox DevTools, Chrome DevTools, Slack, GitHub. Ooh, GitHub, didn't know that. Ghost or Night. Nice. I didn't actually know that half of those exist. So anyway, I think we need to add CryptoJobsList, which is my site. And let's see how long will it take for me to develop. Oh, come on, seriously, the internet is super fast. To develop a version of it. I think the my computer is not very happy that I'm recording video in photo booth and I'm recording my screen at the same time. Let me send this thing to Andrei. Okay, and let's get started. Let's do some work. Okay. Oh shit! What is going on here? Fuck! Not again. This is basically my dev space. Oh shit. Too many things going on. I need to close half of the things. Alright, what do we have here? Let's do... I'm using Sails, by the way. It's a terrible Rails-like framework for Node. What am I doing? I was supposed to do a go to views. Responses. Where was my styles? Okay, my styles were in styles and assets. Okay, so let's create a new file. Dark mode. I'm using Stylus. Dark mode still, and I want to include it in my shit because I'm recording. Everything is so slow. Okay. I think it's going to be border level. Dark mode. Okay, so here I'm going to mention all the parameters for this site. I think by default, let's try just color white, background color. I don't really like too black, but let's do like 333 and see where it leads us to. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen if I just change this thing. Oh, come on, computer. Background. 333, color white. I think, okay. So, oh, by the way, it's 8:20, 8:40. So I think it's very important to know how long I'm gonna be. It's been only 5 minutes. Okay. Let's try to make it under 30 minutes. Whether I'll be able to succeed on my super slow computer. Okay. So all links H1, H2, H3, H4 all gonna be color white, right? I think for my logo, because I have emoji here, I think just having like a setting and color will not work enough. So maybe I'll have to do like a fancy like in CSS invert filter. Where's my? No idea. Okay, and these ones I need to do something about them as well. Input. Okay. Input. Background color. Okay. Dark. Let's set a variable. So I can change the stutter. Or something like this. Okay, background color, input, placeholder. How did I do this before? Okay. So this is going to be changing color. I don't know what's going to be here. AAA, for example. That's like going to be the background color of inputs, of all the inputs. So basically, background 333. Actually, I don't even need to change this color. Let's see if I change all the links. Like I have a very weird like approach to I just have a weird approach to everything, I guess. Not too weird, but some of it is pretty good. Okay, so feature jobs will have a problem. A bit of a problem, I guess. Sign up to Bitcoin. Why these are like these should be looking pretty sexy. Footer and header links. Okay. Footer. Like this. Footer. There. A color. I'm like I have this problem. Oh, okay, it actually works locally as well. That's good. So this thing I need to do. Filter invert, I guess. Instead of just H1. The extra challenge is that the computer is super slow. And you probably cannot see me because it's like pretty late. Let's see what my CPU is doing. Shit. It's going crazy. My CPU. But again, for the first time I'm doing this. It's all fun. for the super slow speed. Shit, nothing compiled. No idea what's going on. Okay. Let's keep experimenting. What am I doing? Hero H1A. Filter invert 1. Something like this. CSS invert filter. Come on. Oh right, I forgot to turn the actual, like, I need to do something like layout default, and just for now class dark mode. Okay, let's see. Filter invert. Okay, so I knew this more or less. Okay, so it's almost 9 p.m. and that's a pretty good time. I mean, I should be going out and partying right now, but I just decided to. It's fun. Like, for geeks like me, it's more fun to actually, like, challenge myself. Oh God, and write something right now, and maybe do a video for the first time ever. Because partying, everyone does it when they're young. I overdid that when I was like a teenager and my early 20s. I'm tethering right now, so that adds extra speed challenges. Hold on, let me actually write to Andre. Okay, actually I need to. Okay, commenting on product hunt. To Andre, saying that I'll try to release this in under 30 minutes. Okay, some progress. Post the job still needs to be read, because that's an important call to action. Call to actions. Call to actions are very important. Always, take care of your call to actions. What's my color. Okay. Yeah. My CPU is 100%. That would makes it fun, right? This dark mode hero. Okay, success. Is this, what is this? This is like landing page, hero H1A. Okay, so for now, so I need to make this link that looks, to make this link look sexy. Job list. Job title. Yeah, it's job title. Okay, what color shall I? What color should this be? And maybe this should be, what looks good on black? Yellow typically looks good, but yeah, this needs to be blue. This needs to be blue. Okay, let's go sexy approach. And let's try this. Nope. 50 software. It's not readable. So like this is important. Should be readable. Should be readable on black. Okay, so it's 9. Needs to be blue, right? Actually, what am I doing? I should try and see what's inverted looks like. Filter, invert, 1%. Oh, it's yellow. Okay. But now all of them look like they're featured, and that's not exactly. They're not exactly featured. Maybe I should like. It's still green. So these are featured ones. I need to develop another feature where like it keeps featured on top, so it's even more value for those who sponsored the positions. Okay, and I'm running out of time. This has been like about 10 minutes, 20 more minutes to finish this up. But I mean, it's almost ready, as you can see. Oh right, I need to add JavaScript that will like super dummy simple JavaScript that will add. That will add a button that will change everything in dark mode. Okay, let's just like to be fast. Invert this too. Subscribe. Okay, let's keep this white. Sexy. Come on. Super slow. Okay. Success. Success. looking okay. Featured. Okay, this is okay. No, this is not okay. Let's do like this. And what is this? This is company name, right? And we'll keep this. Actually, we can do this. So magic 0. All right, this is gonna look good. Let's try and see. Come on. I want to get this done and go party. All right, looking good, looking good. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, so this is you know, I need to ensure that my ego is intact and my name looks good as well. Bike Citer. Okay, I'll just. Color black. I think you guys not like realizing enough how hard it is to develop while your CPU is to do anything really while your CPU is at 100%. It's insane. It's just like, oh, you wanna kill yourself. Okay. Oh, important thing. I think I need to do like a fancy CSS transition for all of these things when I add. Okay, no. Before CSS transitions, let's ensure that everything is actually working, that everything is actually like spot on and crisp. Come on. Okay, text area, yes. Area input. Area. What if I start typing black? Problem. Color. Light color. So these are special cases. This thing needs to be red. Everything else is black color, dark color. Okay. Takes forever. Okay. Ooh. Takes forever because of this super slow. Let's see. Let's mine Citer. Damn. Come on. Did it not apply? White. Okay. Cool. Jobs list. Okay. Sexy. I think now I need to do like a ton of CSS transitions. I will not do like super sexy, you know, like not what am I saying? I will try to do. Okay, so like doing like this kind of CSX selector is not going to be very efficient, but it's fast for me to develop, you know. And you know, code should be fast for humans. Color, background, color, speed. Okay, so background color. Okay, success. What I was trying to say is that it's the job of programming language to ensure that human beings are productive with it, and not like, you know, computers. Every programming language should be optimized for a human being instead of for a computer. It's compiler's job to optimize a certain programming language for a computer. Why is it not dark mode, color? Post a job. Still not working. Oh shit! Yeah, of course. Idiot. Okay. Does it look sexy enough? Okay. Now when I click on one of the positions. Okay, let's click really quickly. It's like in Russian it would sound like bydlakod. Если кто-нибудь смотрит меня на русском. But basically what I'm trying to say is that it's really shitty code that I'm writing. But like, I've never written such terrible code in my life. Usually I really love like React work, but this is just like, you know, I'm having fun. You know, your side projects, you know, it's a throwaway thing. You want to make it ridiculous. You want to ensure that people are laughing at you when you're developing it. Okay, looks okay. Looks okay. Time to add like no, okay, first let's try and test. Oh, come on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove class dark mode and see whether there is transition. Sexy. Okay, fantastic. But I think what's the problem is layout stylus. Color, background color green, background color white. I think this can be FFF. I think like size color, okay. So maybe, not exactly sure, but I think, okay. White color. Okay. So I'm not exactly sure, I need to look it up, but I think the way CSS transitions work is that if you have full colors, if you have like white or any other like term, like adjective, white, blue, black, and then you're trying to transition to like a hexadecimal value of a color, I think the transition would not go smoothly, I think. I might be wrong, please correct me if I'm wrong. But you know, it's not the information that I want to keep in my mind all the time. You know, it's something that you can Google easily. Okay, time to add a button. That will actually like trigger the dark mode. That will trigger the dark mode, basically. Okay. Okay, let's go back to my. Where's layout? This is layout. Okay, fantastic. Footer. Okay. dark mode button. And here we'll do like a fancy. What's the image here? What is he using? An emoji. Fantastic. So, and I will do the same thing. Okay, so now Andre's favorite position, absolute. We're gonna do top 1 EM, left 1 EM. Sorry, with one display block. Head 1 EM. Hover. And oh yes, because cursor pointer. Okay, fantastic. No. Okay, this one. No, actually, no. I really want to put this in. I just should put it in the top. In the top navigation. Oh no. Yes. No. I don't want it there. I'll just make it float. Where is it? Should I go? I screwed up. Okay. I think I'm running over 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. But basically, come on, it's done. I just need to ship it. But most of it is done. Come on, it's all because. Oh yeah. It's all because the computer is slow. Otherwise, I would have been way faster. This is ridiculous stuff. Come on, 5 pixels, 5 px. Top, okay, maybe not 5 px. Maybe we'll do 10 px. Sexy. Okay, let's OCD this a little bit. 15 pixels. Okay, maybe here we will do like 12 pixels. And if I hover over, what happens? Not sexy. So maybe we want to do this 20 pixels by 20 pixels. So when it's hovered over, is it blocked? Yes, it's blocked. Actually, what I want to do, I want to ensure that it's top like 3 pixels. No, okay. 6, and then left 0, and then we will ensure that width is kind of wide, like 30, and then okay, padding top. Oh, what did I write here? Basically, Uh, hover. No, I actually wanted to do something like this. So RGBA is gonna be with alpha channel, so it's gonna be transparent if you hover over it. Okay, so now I need to like, where's my sexy JavaScript? Do you have any JavaScript? Okay. Nope. This is like, you know, not the cheapest technology. Like, you know, I used to be doing like Backbone for years and then React for years when it came out, and like those are hip, like, you know, and now Vue is the hip thing, and everyone's doing Vue, and you know, get over yourself. Like you can be using the latest cutting edge technology, but have like zero traffic to your site, and so what's the point of that? So I decided to just you know remove my engineering ego and like stop obsessing about using the latest quality. Sorry, not the latest like technology, the latest like cutting edge like JavaScript framework, and there's a new JavaScript framework that is coming out every week basically. So like screw that and just like use like the thing that you can just like start running off the box. Even like if you're doing React, you need to like set up like Webpack and compilation process and all of those things. But if you're using jQuery, you just like attach jQuery and that's it, and you're ready to go. Sure, this is. I'm in like fantastic conditions because I'm tethering from my phone. See, there's like a blue bar tethering. Oh, come on, tethering. See? Let me light up. See tethering lights there? And a picture of New York, tethering lights. And, it's not working. Why is it not working? What if I do something like this? No, that should be all right. Ah, okay. Of course, I made this mistake. Nope. I'm just like trying to sit in the lotus pose with my both legs crossed on the chair. Ooh. Oh, God damn it! Reload again. Yeah, the only annoying thing about this approach of developing this like just Sails and server render HTML and just jQuery that you don't have like live reload, and live reload or hot reload is super handy. Like most of front-end developers, and like designers, they're really excited about like instant gratification. You make a small change, then you save it and you're able to view it right away. And like I'm trying to do the same thing. Like I make a change and then I want to see the results, but nothing happened. But it takes like forever to reset. Come on. What am I not doing right? What am I not doing right? Okay, let's debug. Click. Some changes that I've done. Oh, that's all? Oh, okay, yeah. I've added dark mode stylus and all this thing in git diff. It's not showing up. Okay, ready, steady. Click. Something happening? Yay! It's working. Is it? Fantastic. Okay, success. Okay, so come on. It's been 30 minutes. It took me I started recording 40 minutes ago, but what can you do? Okay, double check everything's good. Okay, let's remove this line. Clicked, saved, final, pre-commit changes. Okay, this, that, dark mode. No, by default, yeah, okay. So here's what I do not want to have. I don't want to have dark mode by default. So okay, and meanwhile, let's go to Chrome, Cloudflare. Let's check what Andre is up to. Okay, this is root. Ooh. Okay, let's purge everything. Let's see. Oh, CryptoJobsList done. Oh, fuck. Come on. Stop. Okay. Okay, how does this look? Uh-huh. Okay, so just... Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see. Deployed. Fantastic. Click. And nothing is happening. Is this a joke? Come on. I wouldn't be surprised if the problem is with Cloudflare and it's like not haven't cleared the cache. How to clear the cache for Safari? Anyone knows? Let's try this. All right, cool. Okay, I hope this should be working. Basically, okay, you got the point. It was working in my local development environment. I'll fix it for production. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.